There is one sentence that instantly makes you sound like a leader, and most people never use it. Ready? It's this. Here is what I recommend. That's it. Because most of the people talk about problems and leaders propose solutions. You will notice in every meeting, followers describe, leaders prescribe. So the next time your boss asks for an update, don't say, we are facing this issue. Say, here is what I recommend we should do. Comment solution and I'll DM you my free leadership language sheet. 7 phrases that build instant credibility in meetings.